Are you ready?
Let's go!
Sing the letters nice and slow. Now get faster. 1, 2, 3. Come along and sing with me. A is for apple. Crunch, crunch, crunch. B is for ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. C is for cat. Meow, meow, meow. D is for dog. Bow, wow, wow. E is for elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for fish. Swim, swim, jump. G is for goat. Munch, munch, munch. H is for horse. Gallop fast. Whoa! A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let's go round and start again. I is for igloo. Brr, so cold. J is for jelly. Wibble, wobble, whoa. K is for kangaroo. Hop, hop, hop. L is for lion. Roar, don't stop. M is for monkey. Swinging high. N is for nest where birdies fly. O is for octopus. Wiggle, wiggle, wee. P is for penguin. Dance with me. O, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and follow me. Sing it fast, sing it slow. Here we go, 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 go. Q is for queen, waving hello. R is for rocket, zoom, zoom, go. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for tiger, stripes so white. U is for umbrella, up, up high. V is for violin, play and fly. W is for whale, splish, splash, wow. X is for xylophone, play it now. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, black and brown.
Faster, faster!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Sing it faster, 1, 2, 3. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Spin around and start again. Can you find an A?
Point to an A!
Can you jump to B?
Jump, jump, jump!
Where is the C?
Clap 3 times!
Let's all dance for D. E is for elephant, swing your trunk. F is for frog, jump, jump, jump. G is for giraffe, stretch up high. H for helicopter, zoom through the sky. A, B, C, don't stop now. Sing it loud and show me how. H, I, J, K, go, go, go. L, M, N, now take it slow. A, B, C, touch your nose.